Good morning, class 6. In the previous class, you have completed fill in the blanks and answer in detail of chapter 4, that is materials of daily use. In long answers or answer in detail, you have completed question 1. Give the classification of fabrics based on their origin. You have completed question 2. Write a notes on history of clothing. Question 3. How is cotton obtained from cotton balls? Question 4. Give the uses of cotton. Question 5. How is jute obtained from jute plants? And question 6. Give the uses of cotton. Now you have to do answer briefly. So here in answer briefly you can see question number 1. Why do different types of people wear different types of clothes? So its answer, in different seasons we wear different kinds of clothes because in different seasons the weather is different and we wear clothes according to the weather. Now question 2. What are the conditions required to grow cotton? So its answer, cotton requires temperature ranging from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius and rainfall between 50 centimeter to 80 centimeter. Now question 3. From which part of the plant is cotton obtained? So its answer, cotton is obtained from the fruit part of the plant. Now question 4. What are the conditions required to grow jute? So its answer, jute requires temperature range of 18 degrees Celsius to 33 degrees Celsius and humidity in range of 70% to 80%. Now question 5. How is weaving different from knitting? So its answer, weaving is the process of arranging two yarns together, while the process of making a piece of fabric from a single yarn is knitting. Is that clear, students? Now question 6. Just a minute. You can see question 6. How is yarn made from fiber? Explain. So its answer, yarns are made up of thin strands called fibers. In this process, a mass of cotton are drawn out and twisted to form yarn. Now question 7. Classify the following fibers. Classify the following fibers into natural fibers and synthetic fibers. So cotton is a natural fiber, silk is natural fiber, nylon is synthetic fiber, jute is natural fiber, wool is natural fiber, PVC means polyvinyl chloride is synthetic fiber, flax is natural fiber, polyester is synthetic fiber. You don't need to write S with the fibers. So here I cutted all the S from the fiber. Now question 8. Name the part of a plant that is used for obtaining the following fabrics. So here you can see cotton. Cotton is obtained from the fruit of the plant. So we all know that cotton is obtained from the cotton ball, and cotton ball is a fruit of the plant. Now jute. Jute is obtained from the stem of the plant. Now question 9. Name the season in which the following crops are harvested. So its answer, cotton is harvested July to November and jute is harvested June to September. So that's all. Class 6, you have to completed question answers in your science copy. And students, I hope that you all have done hard words of this chapter. So after completing this lesson, you can show your copy in the group, and students, try to revise this whole chapter, because in the next class you have to give a quiz of this chapter, which is on this chapter. So that's all, class 6. Thank you.